What's up, everyone？ 我是麦克老师，新年快乐！那今天我们来听一听谢霆锋的英语怎么样？为什么那么好
How old were you when you first moved abroad?
I was 7. I moved to Vancouver,
Okay.
and from there, I went to boarding school
Oh, okay.
for 7 years.
Wow.
So I lived alone with my friends until I was 14, and somehow I went to Phoenix, Arizona.
啊，难怪他是在加拿大，也在美国读书了，生活听起来很舒服的。
I was living alone in Phoenix, Arizona,
Oh,
and
okay.
I didn't really go to school. I wasn't really concentrating on education. My parents were divorced. I was living alone.
有可能不是特别舒服。Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're having a fantastic Chinese New Year with your family. I know there's still a lot of you that weren't able to return home to celebrate with your families, and I'm really sorry about that. 真可惜. Hope you can make the best of it and enjoy this video. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help me out by leaving a like and a comment. So, Xie Tingfeng, or Nicholas Qi, did I say that right? Sorry, I don't speak Cantonese. He was born in Hong Kong, but spent a lot of time in Vancouver, Canada, Phoenix, Arizona, and even some time in Japan. So naturally his English, Mandarin, and Cantonese are all native level, and he even speaks a little Japanese.
Hey Siri-san, 明日の予定は何時から?
But that doesn't mean his childhood was all roses and rainbows.
Let me tell you, I was in really bad terms with my parents for the longest time. I was in boarding school ever since I was 12. By 16, I started working, and I never really got a chance to have a relationship with my parents.
That's hard, but that didn't stop him from being successful. Let's listen to what this interviewer had to say.
Like I said, you're a man of many hats. You're developing a chef career on the side. You have music, you have acting, all that together.
Many hats. This just means many different roles or responsibilities. He's a man who wears many hats. I wear many hats in my family. My job requires me to wear many hats. After listening to a bunch of his speeches, I can see why he was so successful. Let's listen to a few fixed English phrases that he uses and learn about his attitude towards success.
I think we are in a very new era and generation, so think big, dream big.
I'm just another kid with big dreams.
Dream big, think big, have big dreams. I think a 9-to-5 job is enough for me. No, man, you need to think big. Have bigger dreams. Forget about the small stuff. You need to think big. You'll never go far unless you dream big.
It's not rocket science, right? You want to do something, you just put your heart to it. You put a lot of effort and time.
In English, we use this phrase all the time. It's not rocket science. Rocket science is probably the most difficult thing humans can learn to do. So when we say it's not rocket science, it just means it's not that difficult. It's not complicated. Man, I don't know how to change a tire. Come on, it's not rocket science. I wonder if I can learn how to cook gongbao jiding. Dude, it's not rocket science. Baidu 一下. I love this phrase. It's not rocket science. Next, we're going to learn some English idioms that native speakers say all the time. But first, our friends at Lingoda have prepared a special Year of the Ox hongbao for you. Click the link below and sign up for one of Lingoda's marathon courses, and you will get a 30% discount. This is the biggest discount Lingoda has ever offered, and they're only offering it to the Chinese-speaking community. But you need to be quick. It expires on February 25th. Just go to their website and choose which marathon you want to do. 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month. The longer the marathon, the cheaper the classes. You take 3 courses per week, and as an additional bonus, if you complete 90% of them, you can get up to a €400 cashback refund. Marathons are tough. It's gonna feel like training, but that's what we need to do to bring our English to the next level. And the Lingoda Online Language School is there to help you 24/7. That's right, book your 1-hour courses from anywhere in the world, from the comfort of your own home, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you're still skeptical, try it for 1 week for free. If you don't like it, cancel before the end of the 7-day trial period. But don't forget to enter the voucher code REDPACKET for your discount. Lingoda's flexibility and certified native-speaking teachers make them the most trusted online school. It's the Year of the Ox. It's a great time to start building new habits. Click the link below and don't miss out on this exclusive discount for Chinese speakers. Here's the first idiom.
Is this foreshadowing something? Are we going to see more music coming from you in 2019?
I didn't really plan this. I think I'm just going with the flow, really.
To go with the flow just means to go along with what others are doing. Maybe you're a laid-back person, you're not really picky, you just like to go with the flow. Which restaurant should we eat at tonight? I don't care, I'll just go with the flow. It's kind of like 随便你 or 什么都可以. It could also mean to relax, like, hey man, why are you so stressed? Oh, I've got a report due at 5 o'clock. Don't worry about it, just go with the flow. Be stress-free and be open to new experiences.
So think big, dream big, as long as you have, if there's a will, there's a way.
If there's a will, there's a way.
I guess when there's a will, there's a way.
Another motivational idiom, it's a really popular one that he really likes. If there's a will, there's a way. If you are motivated enough or determined enough, you will find a way to be successful. 不可能吧? Don't tell me it's impossible. If there's a will, there's a way. Oh, I'm never going to afford a Tesla. You need to think big. Where there's a will, there's a way.
Please, when the opportunity allows, get off your butt and walk the other half, which may be even more important, okay?
Get off your butt. Don't be lazy. You're playing video games again? Get off your butt. You need to start dreaming big. So what your computer broke? It's not rocket science. Get off your butt and fix it. Oh man, I'm getting so fat. You need to get off your butt and start exercising. It's not rocket science. 它还有另外一个跟屁股有关的小成语。
All right, let's get to work. I know it's a very ambitious dish, so let's kick some ass.
Kick some ass. 算是一点点脏. Just means to 加油, come on, let's kick some ass. In the US, we use this in almost any situation. Our soccer game's about to start, let's kick some ass. The Gaokao is coming soon, but I don't care, I'm gonna kick some ass. Let's take a look at a few useful phrasal verbs he often uses.
I was into music when I was 15, actually.
Yeah.
Be into something you really like or something you love to do. I'm into playing soccer. I'm into making videos. Oh, this documentary is so good. I'm really into it. This can also be used if you have romantic interest in someone. Oh, I'm really into her. 我很喜欢她.
Every time I've been in KL, it's been for work. So I have not got a chance to go to Little India, have Indian food with my hands. I'm having a blast.
Have a blast. 有个爆炸吗? Ooh, just means to have fun or have a really good time. I always have a blast when I'm with you guys. I always have a blast watching soccer games. My son and I have a blast together.
Not with me.
I always have a blast when I have a date with my wife. All right, next, some vocabulary words.
I don't know how many people has watched the show, but you know how I got totally bashed when I started, hammering onto the button. But then, man, I got totally bashed by the media, by everybody else. Yeah, stop this guy, or he's crazy, whatever. People are also bashing me for I would choose a lot of contestants because I was solely pressing onto the button.
To bash. This is a fun way to say criticize. People bash me on my channel all the time. I don't care. If you're gonna bash someone, you better be prepared for them to bash you. You shouldn't bash people behind their back.
That's why I treasure every fan, I treasure every applause. And if I could get through that crap, I can get through this crap.
Crap. So this literally just means poop, but it's a little less dirty than saying sh**. They mean the exact same thing, but one's considered a dirty word, but crap is not. And the uses are endless. Oh, I have so much crap to do today. He's just talking crap. Don't listen to him. I don't have time to deal with this crap right now.
And I borrowed money from the bank to start this company off with 4 people. And now we have over 130 staff. But at that time, was it a gamble? Yes, it was. Although, yes, it's a gamble, but I had kind of a safety net behind it.
We all know the verb gamble, but what about the noun, a gamble? To take a risk is to take a gamble. It seems like a gamble to buy a house right now. Stock markets seem like a bit of a gamble. Man, traveling during the pandemic, that's a bit of a gamble.
When did you finalize your recipe?
I'm still tweaking a little here and there, but the marriage of different cultures is what I'm trying to do.
And our final word today, tweaking. It just means to make some changes. We all know the word change, we use it all the time. But if you want to really increase your vocabulary, use the word tweak instead. How's the report coming? I just need to make a few tweaks and it's done. I'm still tweaking it a bit. I'll have it done in an hour. Oh, my computer is so slow. Can you make it run faster? No problem. I just need to make a few little tweaks. So there we go. Special thank you to Xie Tingfeng for helping us learn a bunch of English words and phrases. And thank you guys for suggesting him. He's really quite a talented person. Don't forget, if your Chinese New Year resolution is to bring your English to the next level, then click the link below. Don't miss out on this special Lingoda Marathon promotion. Enter the discount code REDPACKET and get 30% off. Thank you everyone for all your Mingxing suggestions. Keep them coming, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。